We focus on gathering intelligence about adversaries and then handing that intelligence to federal law enforcement, government, military to do good things with it and stop the bad guys. My name is Mike Monnik. I studied a Bachelor of IT Security, majoring in networking at Deakin University. I also did an honours degree in gamification of cybersecurity learning, and I'm the founder and CEO of DroneSec, a drone threat intelligence company. We're a software-based company. It scrapes the internet, forums, chat groups for anything that's related to drone incidents or adversaries utilizing drones for nefarious use cases. I had an affinity for technology. I had a curiosity about the world of cybersecurity and how hacking worked. I started at defense doing cyber warfare style work, and then after that I started at BAE Systems. I was focused on penetration testing, or the ethical hacking part of that. I moved into a red teaming role. We would try to physically break into different buildings using lockpicking, social engineering, cybersecurity. We would basically just hand them the playbook of how we infiltrated those premises, and they would then fix those. DroneSec has evolved since its beginnings, where it focused largely on more the securing drones and weaknesses of drones. We're now focused more on that intelligence aspect. We are literally working with the pinnacle of federal law enforcement, military, government, special forces. One of the key reasons they use us is because there are so many adversaries using drones right now for malicious uses, right? We have them even exfiltrating cash from banks, flying it away with the drone because it's very difficult to intercept, dropping contraband into prisons, flying flags in protest over sporting stadiums. My wife and I do quite a bit of extracurricular missing persons searches, but using online digital skills or open source intelligence rather than, say, the traditional physical searching. So the way this first started was Tej Chitnis, this individual who went missing from Deakin University. So it was close to our heart. And we had these incredible skills. Those skills actually lend a really different purpose, where if you apply them to a missing person, you can often end up finding their last whereabouts or more information about the context on what happened to them. I do believe starting a business is one of the best ways to actually impact change in the world. I would say to future IT leaders, put yourself out of your comfort zone and try to start a business. Even if it fails, it's a bunch of lessons you can use in the future.